Hello guys, how to stop automatic driver installation in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and there are two ways to automatic driver installation stop in your system. The first one is through Windows settings. Go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key, and from the left side choose system. Thereafter go to right side and scroll down, and from the bottom of the page click on about. Your system will show here. Here click on advanced system settings under related links. Click on it. A new system properties windows will appear on your screen. Here from the top menu bar choose hardware. Click on it and device installation settings. Click on device installation settings. A new window will pop up on your screen. Do you want to automatically download manufacturer's apps and custom icons available for your devices? Make the check against option no. Your device might not work as expected, and finally choose save changes. The another way to stop automatically driver installation in your Windows 11 and 10 system through local group policy editor. Press Windows plus R shortcut key conjointly to open run command box in your system, and in run command box type gpedit.msc to open local group policy in your system. In local group policy editor windows, from the left side two section is available: computer configuration and user configuration. Under computer configuration, expand administrative templates. Thereafter expand Windows components, and here scroll down and you will find the option Windows Update. Select it. Thereafter go to right side, and from the right side choose manage updates offered from Windows Update. Apply a double click on it to open, and here do not include drivers with Windows Update. Apply a double click on it again, and in new Windows select the button enabled, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Your automatic driver installation in Windows 11 and 10 system will